Why aren't you making any videos? Who's going to be paying for this baby?
All right, yes, back to videos. All right, ladies and gents, it is time to do a little bit of upkeeping. As you could see, I was missing for several weeks, months even, because we were moving. As you could see in the intro, we will have a new little member in the Robert Elkis family. And for that, we needed a bigger house because we were in a tiny apartment. It was perfect for 2 people, but not enough for 3. So a lot of time has passed. We managed to move into the new house. I still don't have the office ready, but for now, I'm using the baby's little room as my office. I finally have internet also figured out. So I thought there's no better way than celebrating by making a video for you guys. Of course, there are better ways, but I haven't done a video in a long time and I was feeling guilty. So here is our video. Fun fact, just before we jump into everything, the baby was supposed to come 5 days before we shot that intro. And it's still not here, so it could be here any moment. So this is extra special that you're getting a video from me, because otherwise I would be just stressing and walking about when is the baby coming. Okay, enough about that. Let's jump into the video. I have a Discord, as most of you know, and in that Discord we have a channel where, well, we have several channels, but of course we have 2 channels where in one people give me video suggestions, and in another people give me interesting photos or photos of products, of things that I then turn into spaceships or mechs or vehicles. Anyway, something sci-fi and fun. And somebody posted this Corona bottle cap, as you can see in there. And I thought like, oh yeah, cool. I haven't done one of these in a long time. And I do have a couple of videos where I turn stuff like soap dispensers. And also I think I had a candle holder that I turned into spaceships. And looking at this cap, I thought like, oh, this could be an interesting mech. So I went ahead and started sketching out a couple of, well, at least for me, interesting, like what could I do with a mech? And of course, this is getting harder because mechs, there are many mechs that start looking alike, and I immediately did the generic sort of walking spider-like mech, which is of course not a problem. You can always do that. I just wanted to do something slightly different, maybe a bit more interesting, and I don't think I managed. To be fair, I haven't really been drawing too much these last couple of months, actually, because just a lot of work around the house and also a lot of work that I was pushing, like work to get out of the way so I don't have to work around the time where the baby comes. So yeah, I'm a little bit rusty when it comes to creative robot making, but it was fun, at least, even if it is not the most, I don't know, innovative robot, at least it was, I enjoyed it quite a bit. So then we ended up with this sort of long leg crab-like creature robot mech that is crawling out of the bottleneck. I think I drew several, and even now I have 1 or 2 of these long leg mechs in the pipeline that I still want to finish up. There's just something insecty and weird about these long front legs that really speak to me, and I like that a lot. And yeah, the rest is just general process of me squiggling about, trying to find the shape, then squiggling around it over again, trying to just make the shapes a little bit more detailed, and then doing another pass with sort of a final line work once I know what I want to do there. Slight change in my drawing process. I don't know if you guys noticed this or not. I have more squiggly lines as opposed to the beginning of my YouTube career, let's say that, where I was very much still industrial design. Since I don't really work in industrial design but in visual communication, it is not that needed to have those straight lines. And also I follow a lot of artists on Instagram where they really do this just like, oh, just squiggly lines, and their end product looks really cool. So I was trying to sort of emulate that style a little bit lately with my style, and I try to not worry too much about having those perfect lines. So maybe you notice that here and there as I'm drawing. And then in the end, I also went a little bit into the rendering process. You will see that as well. It's just a very simple cel-shaded comic style rendering. I didn't do anything special there, just a couple of different values of the same color, and that's what I did. And with that, that's basically the video for today. It's just a short one. It's a small one because I don't have too much time. Well, technically I would have had time, but the baby could come in a moment, so I want to concentrate on that and like just get this video out so you guys have a video. And also I feel like, hey, I did a video again. It's been a while, yes. But yeah, as you can hear, I am just psyched. I'm in a happy place right now, happy to draw again. It was a fun little mech drawing. So yeah, hopefully slowly we can get back into the videos. Of course, expect another break once the baby is here. But at least now that I have a house, like even if I'm gonna look super tired, maybe I still feel more like drawing than just not having my own room, where my own proper internet where I can set up. So there might be more videos, but keep in mind that a small little human thing is coming along that will ask for all of our attention. So I don't know how often I will have videos, but I want to do as much as I can. Yeah, this was really fun. So I hope you enjoyed it too. And maybe even learned something, just at least watching the progress and listening to me babbling on about my life. I'm sure you guys have your own things going on, but I just wanted to share. And with that, as per usual, at the end of the video, you know, the like, the subscribe, all those things, hit them left and right. I like it when you guys comment, when you have questions. You guys know that I like to answer them. So if you have anything related that you want to ask about with this drawing or mechs or whatever, ask them. We have a Discord. You can drop them in there as well. If you really like my stuff and like, hey, do more stuff, we want to support you, there's some links to Discord and there's some links to Patreon and whatnot in the description. Check those out as well. But as always, the most important part is that you folks have a great time. Keep on sketching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.